Welcome to another unboxing. This is a little bit different than some of the stuff I've done in the past. This is the Dyson Pure Cool Me, as you can see. A little bit of an impulse buy, to be completely honest. I was at Target and I kind of walked by it, and I had seen that Dyson had come out with this product several weeks ago. And to be completely honest, I still don't understand this per se. I get what it's supposed to be, a personal fan, something you would have on your desk or your nightstand, that you can vector the air in a precise manner for you. But with that said, it still struck me based on the pictures as large, and I don't get it, I guess is what I'm trying to say, which is why it led me to buy it. The definition of a impulse buy, if there ever was one, but I bought it because I really want to see how useful it is. How much do I like it? Is this a product that makes sense? And what are my thoughts? And I'll be making a review video in the coming weeks once I kind of have some time with this. But without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Portion of the box. Looks like the entire unit might actually already come completely assembled, unlike some of the other Dyson fans. So there's that. Yep, that appears to be it. That I expected it to be terribly complex. As with any Dyson product, you get your remote. This is their latest generation of purifiers, which means it should talk to the Dyson Home app and also work with HomeKit and such. So the remote is just an added convenience. Quite a large power brick, actually. Wow, that is not a whole lot. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the amperage, 1.5 amps. Well, that's quite large, definitely larger than I thought. Won't make it the easiest for plugging into a power strip, say, that you might have by your nightstand. Normal paperwork, and that's everything in the box. You know, it's first impression out of the box is it's actually a little bit smaller than some of the pictures might lead you to believe. It's big, don't get me wrong, but as far as like a personal desk fan might go, it certainly seems to fit the footprint a little bit better than I thought it would. I'll be interested to see how it does. So let's see. There's the underside portion, all the various linkage and mechanisms that help direct airflow. And there's the air filter. Okay, so it looks like, unlike some of the current other purifiers that Dyson makes, both the activated charcoal carbon filter is not a separate piece. It's one piece. It's integrated into this Hepa filter. So it's a two-stage, but it's built as one rather than having the two separate filters you have to replace with the other Dyson purifiers. That's But then again, this is not meant to really purify an entire room. This is meant to purify the air that's being directed at you, and really nothing more than that. So I guess you don't need as hefty air filters. As you saw, it snapped. It snapped back into place. Pretty easy to take apart and to replace the filter, so that's a plus. But anyway, that'll be that for this video. Short, but hopefully I'll have a review out for you here in the future. Thanks for watching.